Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose a specific app for app limits on Mac. So sometimes you don't want limit to entire category because you only use one or two app. For example, you may want to limit Instagram but not WhatsApp or restrict one game while leaving the rest untouched. So instead of applying a limit to the whole category, Screen Time lets you choose individual apps as well. This gives you much more precise control over your screen time and avoid restricting app that you are still need to use every day. So to apply app limit for a specific app, first click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose system settings when the menu prompt. Now here in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to screen time and next choose app limits in the right side pane. After that, make sure you have enabled the toggle right to app limits and then click on add limit button. And now you will see the list of app categories. So instead of selecting the entire category, click on the arrow next to that category to expand. And now select one or two app that you want to limit. And once you have selected the app, move to the schedule section at the bottom. Here, if you want the same limit every day, then choose every day and then use the time selector on the right to choose your daily limit. And if you rather have different limits on different days, choose custom and then click on edit button. And here you will see the 7 days of the week where you can assign a different time limit to each day. Once you are done, finally click on this done button and then click on done again. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.